Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make onion chutney recipe.
This chutney recipe is a little bit sweet. We can serve it along with dosa or idli. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 teaspoon oil and heat it. Add 2 sliced onion. Add 20 to 25 shallots. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes. The onion becomes slightly golden in color. Then add 1 inch sliced ginger, half cup of curry leaves. Saute it for 2 minutes on medium flame. Now add 1 tablespoon Kasmiri Red Chilli Powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well and saute it for 1 minute. We need to add 2 more ingredients. Add small amount of tamarind. Also add a piece of jaggery for special taste. Mix it well. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. After cooling, transfer it into a grinder jar. Grind it smoothly like this. We don't need fine paste. We only need to grind like this. Our tasty onion chutney is ready. This onion chutney can be served along with any type of food. You can have along with dosa, vadai or rice.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.